Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to prepare spicy green chutney. To start with, I will take 1 teaspoon of black pepper and I will dry roast this until it releases its aroma. Then I will add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and dry roast this until it pops and keep it aside for time being. Now take a teaspoon of cooking oil and saute the green chilies for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. Now take the mixture and add the chilies, roasted pepper and cumin seeds, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, a mid-lemon sized tamarind, a cup of fresh coriander leaves and salt to taste. Now add a little bit of water, but keep in mind water will reduce the shelf life of the chutney. Grind it until you have the paste-like consistency. And now transfer to a serving bowl and add the smoking hot chutney with chapatis and rotis. And that's it for this video, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications on our future uploads. Also, do like, comment and share this video with your family.